Hello everybody, today we make something really easy, outside and inside. We make a barbecue. First I want to do this one. I got wings with a pesto. Now this is my homemade pesto. It's so beautiful and good. Now the chicken wings, the only thing I put a pesto. This is my homemade pesto. So somebody want to see the way I make my pasta, you can click below. And you see my pasta, it's really good. And I got over here the legs, thighs, and I put over here rosemary, thyme, garlic, and flake hot pepper, salt, and black pepper. I put no oil, so you put in the barbecue outside with the oil, it smoke all over the place. And I like this. And I got a sausage. This is a spice hot sausage. And I got a sweet potato. And I got one garlic. Okay, now let me prepare the sweet potato. And I got a fork over here to make a little hole like this. It cook more faster inside. And it's really hard. Now the sweet potato is done, the hole I pour. And now I want to do this garlic. I like roasted garlic. It's so good for you, so you eat this. And I love it. Now I cut the top like this. Open up like that. Salt. Black pepper. And for the oil, I put right over here. Kind of want to mess up my board over here. Oil. Okay, and now this is done, and we put this on the side. Okay, after this you gotta go in the oven, and now we can start to do my chicken with the pesto. A chicken with the pesto we put right over here on this pot. And we fix a little bit of the chicken. Do not stay one on top of the other. Okay, have to not cook good. Okay, I got the chicken and the sweet potato, the garlic, and you gotta go in the oven at 400 degrees. And we put both the same time. One. And okay, let's close. And now we gotta go outside for the barbecue. Okay, we started with the sausage. And the sausage, what I do, I put it right on the top. I wanted to cook really slow, the sausage. Okay. Alright, and now it's time to put the chicken. And we started with the legs. The thigh. Legs. Look how beautiful. And not nice. It's it. Now this, you gotta watch the no burn. Okay? Let's close. Okay, I got my barbecue hand. You know why? Let me pick up some of my oil baby. Hey, look at this. Hey, look at this one out over here. Yeah, this on the barbecue, it's really good. Oh, I got one red. Hey, over here. Hey, look at this other one over here. Look how big this green over here. Look at that. Hey, boy. He look like a baseball bat. Okay, I think one for me, one for Diana, Jeremy, and my wife, Ava. Okay, that's enough of this. Okay, the legs look very good. Let's see the sausage. You see the sausage, you got a nice color. we gotta clean up a little bit. I'm not spraying not, but you know, the little dust, it's good to take it out with a wet paper towel. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, now I want to cook my oil baby on a barbecue. It not take too long. We put right over here. Look, and look at the chicken and the sausage. Okay. And this is a really good dip like this. Little salt on the top. That's it. We close it again. And we wait now when the barbecue is ready. We would like to eat outside, but you can't. There's so many mosquitoes. It bite you. Boy, it scratch. Everybody like my hair? Look at this, nice and straight. And nice. Oh, long time ago when I was in Italy, I was used like that.
What did you use to put in your hair?
You know, I want to say, okay, chicken poop.
Chicken poop?
Yeah.
For what?
For all of the air good. A lot of people in Italy who got the mustache, they make a nice thin. It's what you use, chicken poop. They make a nice.
Ugh.
Yeah, it smells good too.
That's real?
Yeah, it's really. Yeah.
But like, what if you didn't have chickens?
Well, you go find someplace. You gotta find chicken someplace.
You got chicken in there.
Yeah. Look at that. I was load the barbecue a little bit. Okay, now the barbecue is ready. We turn the gas off. And we start with the sausage. And look how beautiful look this sausage. Okay. It's really nice. We give it take the tie. Get over here. You know, it smells so good that I put a lot of stuff, a lot of garlic, rosemary, and thyme. It's why it's really good. Now, you know, it stay too long to cook. Get the piece that's not really big. Okay, the chicken is done. And now, still I got my pepper. Okay? Okay, good. Now, on this, I put a little salt, but this it's so hot. It's spicy. Okay, all done, and now we go inside. And after we gotta pick up something in my garden. I want to show everybody. Okay, now let's check this other chicken with the pesto. It look really good. And we put it right over here. And I got my sweet potato with the garlic. And let me close this. Okay, I got the sweet potato and the garlic. Okay. Now we put a little oil on the top. All right. And we put a little sea salt. Okay, with the salt it tastes really, really good. Okay, it's a time we gotta make a little salad. And I want to make a tomato salad. And to pick up my tomato from my garden. Okay, let's start to pick up. This one, it's pretty good. Look how nice. Look how many I got over here. This one is good too. Okay, and I got one over here in the back. Look. And let's see over here, I got more. Look how beautiful. This one. and over here. All right, now we go inside, we wash, and we make a nice salad. It smells really good. Okay, almost done. We gotta mix this tomato salad. Put salt. Okay. Black pepper. Okay. Now, little oil, oil di oliva, really good oil. Look at nice. All right. Good. Now it's time to eat. We got the chicken, the sausage, wings, baked potato, sweet potato, and we got a garlic and my Oye Baby hot pepper.
Wow, look at all this pot. How are we gonna eat it all?
Oh, you know what about? Wait when I start to eat. This tonight's gone.
So
I got so much food over here. God, look at this. I got the wings. Let me see the wings. This is with the pesto. My pesto. It melts in your mouth. Look. Pesto.
I'm putting this down because I'm ready to eat. Alright, I want to try. Yeah, let me try one of these too.
You know it?
No, I'm looking when you eat it.
Okay, good. No eat. Okay, after I'm not got enough for me.
No, what about?
Oh, more for us. Yeah, these are good. This is the homemade pesto from 2017.
Yeah.
That was good.
Look. The bones nice clean. It's a good, really good.
Gonna mix this. These are from the garden, right?
Yeah.
Need a bigger bowl.
I want to take a nice tzatziki now. Sausage.
It's spicy.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, nice hair today.
Yeah, you like, huh?
And then we hired a hairstylist.
Yeah. Nice flat. Oh yeah, baby.
Last dab.
My oh yeah, baby, it's out. Oh yeah, baby.
This is turning into a mukbang.
Good.
That's it. You mix it, right?
Yeah.
The butter is good, Diva.
Yeah. Wow, it's spicy though.
Ooh.
I can't wait. It's
like
like butter.
Ah.
The cigar.
Yum yum. Thank you, Pa.
Thank you.
One time, you know what happened? I was with the garlic. It was a good, the doctor office. And aloe vera, all the time it's full. I never pick up aloe vera, the people are lying. I was at the garlic, boy, everybody disappeared. Everybody disappeared. I was by myself in aloe vera. I said, okay, now every time I go to aloe vera, I eat the garlic.
You keep garlic in your pocket.
Yeah.
All right, Pa.
Okay? Everything, look at the food. Started go now. I was eating nice chicken, sausage, garlic, tomato, my oh yeah baby hot pepper. E salute cincina everybody. A salute. Really good with the barbecue and the wine. It's a number one. Really good. Thank you very much, everybody. Enjoy my barbecue. Thank you.